In today's tutorial, issues that hopefully resolve if your microphone is not working on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, select sound. And then going underneath input, select your microphone from the list here that you're having the problem with. And then you can adjust some of these settings if you see fit. Make sure your input volume is turned all the way up. You can start a test with your microphone to make sure it works properly and adjust the format as necessary. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.